Hello, Weekend Crafter. Welcome back to the Craft Time Studio. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. I'm Ange, and I make polymer clay tutorials every weekend. We're fresh out of the Christmas holiday, and I'm sure all you makers there are now busy making your Valentine collection. So to help out, I'm sharing with you some Valentine colors to recreate. Let's make teal blue, bright magenta, punch pink, peach pink, and pink gray. Before we begin any project, and especially because we are working with colors, let's make sure we have a clean mat first. Because I use a glass mat, it's very easy to clean. I just spritz it with some alcohol and wipe it down. Now I am laying down my color swatches so that it's easier for me to color match. The first color that we're mixing is pink gray. For this, you will need some white and a stone gray color. I mixed 1 part of the stone gray with 4 parts of white. Once fully mixed, I set it aside. This is not yet the final color as I will still need to mix in some pink, which I will do in a little bit. Let's move on to peach pink. Get some white and some guava pink clay or a similar colored clay. I also added some sunflower yellow to get that peach color. I first cut out 1 part yellow, 1 part pink, and 4 parts white. I try to mix my colors one at a time, and so I go with the pink and white first. Once the colors are fully combined, I add a little bit more at a time. Finally, I add the yellow. As you can see, the color is looking too yellow, so I come back in with 1 part pink and 4 parts white again. Now, we have arrived at the peach color that I want. I cut 1 part of this peach pink and I add it to my light gray color to get my pink gray. For the next color, let's make punch pink. Mix half part crimson hue with 4 parts guava pink. Make sure you condition this completely until the colors are fully incorporated. I find that most of my dark colors are harder to combine, probably because a lot of them are really hard and crumbly. Moving on, I'm making bright magenta. Mix out some crimson hue and fuchsia clay. Mix 3 parts crimson hue and 1 part fuchsia. As you can see here, my clay is very crumbly, and so I used my mallet to soften it up. I will share a link above on the ways to condition your clay. I also add a little bit of translucent clay to make the clay stick together. And then, to finally brighten the color, I add a bit of punch pink. By the way, Pantone released its color of the year and it's Viva Magenta. Very similar to the color that I mixed. And for the final color, I need something for contrast, and so I mix teal blue. To make teal blue, you will need some forest green and peacock pearl. Mix equal parts of these two colors to make teal blue. I hope that you had fun mixing your Valentine colors. By the way, if you want to know what I've been up to during the week, you can visit my Instagram at crafttime.ph. Have a crafty weekend. Bye!